Hi guys. I know I haven't posted in a long time, and I know, but there's just like really nothing to vlog anymore. But for a past couple of weeks now, some U.S. military Black Hawk helicopters have been flying over my house, and they only fly at night because they're stealth. So like flat black, so it matches the sky. And you could hear them. They just friggin' rattled my house. They were flying pretty low. The other day, two of them were over there, and then two of them were over there, and they went that way. And I just heard them. And I want to know why they're here, because they've been here for a couple of weeks now, and the troops already deployed because my friend, he's like an intel for the U.S. Navy, so he shipped out. I want to say last week. I mean, he when I say friend, I mean like a person that I know. I mean he's like 20 or like he's in his 20s, but yeah. So they already deployed last week. So I want to know why the Blackhawks are still here. I mean, they shouldn't be here. I want to know why. It's really cool because the executive airport is like down that way, and my house is right here. So it's like boom, boom. Like I'm so close, I could hear the jets taking off. Like when they use their afterburners. They're freaking close. And I want to catch one on camera, because you never know when they're gonna pop up. Oh, I think I hear them. Hold on. Okay, I just went down the street. There are flashlights so don't bother anybody. It's like it's obviously U.S. military helicopters. Because helicopters don't fly in formation, and they don't sound deep as hell, and they're not black. I mean, they are, but they're, they sound different. And they look different, too. I'm out of breath. Oh, man. And it's cold, and I'm only wearing shorts and a shirt. I redid the road here. I thought I heard them, I guess. No, but they're loud. Like, I was sitting in bed watching YouTube, and all I hear is, and the whole house starts shaking. And I'm like, oh my god, the Blackhawks are back. But I missed them. That's alright. But I want to catch them on camera so bad, because I looked up on YouTube, and I have not yet found any videos of why they're here, and no one's got them on camera yet. But today at school I heard like a lot of people talking about them flying over their houses and shit, and World War III, but I doubt it's World War III. It's no World War III. There would probably been like a giant message on TV or the news or something saying, flee the United States because nuclear bombs will be going off and shit. So, there's no World War III. Hopefully. Not yet. I mean, I don't want a World War III. Dude, I think that's one. Look, you see the blinking lights? Look. There's blinking lights all the way over there. I think that's one of them. Look right there, right there. That's one of them. I can hear it. I can hear like the deep engine. Dude! Okay, I caught one on camera, but it was really far away. Dude, I think I just caught one on camera. This is really interesting because, like, the only time you actually get, like, war vehicles is either air shows or when they go, like, down to North Lauderdale area, the little executive airport down the street, and they, like, they bring the B-17, the P-51, and the B-24 Liberator. And that's, like, once a year, but they stopped doing it for some reason. I don't know why. I haven't seen them anymore. And you could tell it's, you know, it's not a normal plane. It's freaking built for war. So, yeah, so this is really, really cool. That I'm witnessing military helicopters. I've never seen a military helicopter. I mean, I saw an Osprey before, but that was like Pensacola near Eglin Air Force Base. What's that? I hear something. Oh my god, please let it be a Black Hawk. I think it is. Oh, what's that? What's that? Oh, you hear them? You hear them? Dude, they're coming back. They're coming back. Dude, they're coming back. They're coming back. Dude, I just heard them. I just heard them. I think that's one of them all the way down there. Right there. You can hear the rotors. Oh my god, please. Oh, I hear them! Please tell me you guys hear this. Dude, I can hear him. I can hear him. I can hear him. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video until I see something or hear them. So I'll get back at you in a bit. Okay, I hear them. I hear them. I think they're coming. Here, listen. Shh. Please tell me you guys hear a deep engine noise. Because if you do, those are the helicopters. That's an airliner over there. That's an airliners. There's airliners. Oh my god, dude, I hear them. I can fucking hear them. Dude, oh my god, please pass by again. Dude, if I see them again, I'm gonna freaking scream and shit. I'm probably gonna wake up all my neighbors. Alright, I'll get back with you in a bit. Okay, I'm not hearing them anymore. But, just give it a couple seconds. Alright, I'll get back with you in a bit. Okay, I see something over there. See it? The light? Wait. No, that's not it. Hold on, it just went behind a tree. Alright, look. See it? A light? Over there. Okay. Okay, I hear him. I hear one. It's coming from that way over there. I just heard it. Okay, I hear him. Whoa, what's that? Going really fast. Oh no, I think that's one of them. That's definitely a helicopter. Look, there it goes. Yo, I see a big light over there. Yo, I think that's a helicopter. Dude, I think that's one of them. That's not one of the helicopters. But I don't know. No, I do know. I did. That was not one of the helicopters. That was a jet. I mean, probably not a fighter jet. I doubt it's a fighter jet. And yeah, I don't think it's a fighter. I mean, it is going awfully fast. It could be a fighter jet. I doubt it. I seriously doubt it because it would have been a hell of a lot more louder than that. I know you hear that. Did you hear that engine? Dude, maybe they are storing fighter jets. Maybe what I just saw over there was a fighter jet. Dude, those are loud afterburners. Yeah, he was using his afterburners. Wait, do planes use afterburners today? I don't know. All I do know is like when planes actually do use their afterburners, they sound the same. So I don't know. Okay, I think they're taking off again. I just heard them. I just heard one again. But I need to use the bathroom, but I'm afraid to go inside because I don't want to miss them. Please tell me you hear them. Dude, I keep hearing them. Dude, I just want them to fly over. Okay, I'm back over at my house. I had to use the bathroom real quick. I just went right in between the cars. So, you know, if I heard it, I would know.